Now we are going to discuss about the types of stem. First type of stem is the underground stem. As the name indicates, that in this case a stem of plants that remains in the ground and they basically serves the function of perennation and storage of food. These are basically involved in the perennation and storage of food, and they also produce aerial shoots annually. They resemble roots superficially. Why they resemble roots superficially? Because they are present underground. That's why they resemble roots superficially, but they are distinguished from the roots by the presence of nodes and internodes, which is the characteristic of a stem. So, and they also help in the process of vegetative propagation. The underground stems, they all have an important role in the process of vegetative propagation. Some of its examples, if we go for the underground stems, so bulb is its example, and tubers is also its example, which we use daily almost in the form of potatoes. And another example is the rhizome. Second type of stem is the subaerial stem. In this case, you also understand with the name that in this case some of the lower buds of the stem that grow out into short lateral branches. In this case, lower buds that grow out into short lateral branches, and these are named after on the basis of their origin and on the basis of nature of the stem, or also on the basis of mode of reproduction. If we go for the origin, that how the on the basis of origin they are named, the example of on the basis of origin is stolon. If we go for the nature, then on the basis of nature these are named as sucker. And if we go for the process of reproduction, then we can say that subaerial includes pistilla. Another type of stem is the aerial stem. As the name indicates, these are the modified stems which have the unusual function. What kind of unusual function? That these are modified into specified functions. Main role of the aerial stem is in the presence of in protection from the hazardous environmental conditions or from the predators. So in this case they have modified their stems into phylloclades or cladodes. These are its example of aerial stems. Aerial stems, they basically have role in the process of protection, as protection from the hazardous environmental conditions, and phylloclades and cladode are its examples.